In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove sections of audio from a video with Shotcut. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to silence just part of a clip without touching the rest of your project, which is perfect for cutting out background noise, sensitive comments, or any unwanted sounds in a specific moment. With your video already on the Shotcut timeline, start by moving the playhead to the exact point where you want the muted section to begin. You can drag the playhead along the timeline or click directly on the ruler to land precisely where you need. For accuracy, feel free to zoom in on the timeline so you can see your cut points more clearly. When you're at the correct spot, click Split at Playhead or press the S key on your keyboard. This creates the first cut. Next, move the playhead to the point where you want the muted section to end. Again, take a moment to line it up carefully. Snapping can help you land on existing cuts. When you're there, click Split at Playhead or press S again. You now have a separate isolated section between the two cuts that contains the audio you want to remove. Right-click the isolated section and choose Detach Audio. This tells Shotcut to separate the audio from that selected video segment. You'll see a matching audio clip appear on the audio track below, aligned with the section you just split. Click to select that audio piece and press Delete on your keyboard, or right-click and choose Delete. The video portion remains exactly where it was, but the audio for that segment is now gone, leaving that part of your clip silent. Play your timeline to review the result. You should hear audio before and after the section, with silence exactly where you removed it. If something doesn't sound right, use Ctrl+Z to undo and try adjusting your cut points. Make sure you delete only the detached audio for the isolated segment, not the entire track. If you're having trouble selecting the right clip, click once to highlight it and watch for the outline to confirm you've selected the audio piece. That's all there is to it. Split at the start, split at the end, detach the audio for that isolated part, and delete the audio. It's quick, non-destructive, and keeps your video intact while silencing only the section you don't want. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next tutorial.